I'm going to save this file. I'm going to go ahead and hit Command S. And does this homework have a number? Homework 6? Is that what it's called, homework 6? Wow, I can't believe we have 6 homework assignments already. So you guys are busy. So homework underscore 006 underscore 001. So this is how I would name this file. I might work on this for more than one day, so I'm padding it. That's what the 001 indicates. If I work on it tomorrow, I'm going to do a save as and call it 002. On the third day, 003, 004. Angela had her Illustrator crash this weekend, and she told me, I'm really glad that I saved. So don't forget, Illustrator will crash on you. You never know when it's going to happen. All right, so I'm saving the file name. Go ahead and hit OK. Now, before we cut to a break, I want to ask you a question, okay? Let's look at this pencil here. Let's look at this pencil. I want to think about this in reductive terms. What I mean by reductive terms, I want to analyze it and I want to reduce it to more simple shapes in a logical way. I want to think about the primitives that I have and I want to assign those primitives to this more complicated object. Okay, so what shape is the lead part? How would you describe that? It's a triangle. What shape is the wood part? It's a triangle. So there's 2 triangles that describe this right here. What shape would you describe the yellow part of the pencil? It's a rectangle. Right, let's look at the rectangle a little bit more closely, the yellow part. You can see that there is a lighter yellow, a medium yellow, and a dark yellow. What shapes are all 3 of these? What shapes are all 3 of those? They're all rectangles. Okay, what about this metal piece? A rectangle, last shape. What about the eraser? Oh, who said that? Who said that? Rounded rectangle, really clever. Yes, this is a rounded rectangle. So the point that I'm making here is that we can use the additive method and we can arrange these separate objects and arrange them and stack them to create the illusion of this pencil. Now some of you might say, well, what about the little ridges here? If you look really closely at the ridges, they are really tiny rounded rectangles. It's a collection of them. You'll notice there's little circles here where the metal is clamped on to the wood of the pencil and it's clamped onto the eraser. Those are tiny little ellipses. So I can continue to illustrate this pencil with all of the primitives if I arrange it correctly. Does that make sense? So I'm saying this because while that's your homework assignment is to illustrate this pencil. I want you to know that it's really not that complicated. It's very similar to the bowling ball exercise, but instead of just using circles, we're going to use different shapes.